If you are looking for what a platform is that allows you to create videos and images in a good way, not so limited, so to speak, well, here I am going to show you how you can do it in a good or free way. The platform that we are going to use today is Keyway Chat 2.5, which does not allow you to create videos and images, and you can also obviously use it as a regular CHA, such as ChatGPT. If you notice, it is quite similar to what ChatGPT is, but this one. It is developed by the Alibaba company, and you can use it for free for personal use. As we can see here, we have different types of models which are good for us to use. For example, if it is for personal use, we can use any of these types of models for free. Okay, for example, if we ask him that question, well, here he quickly gives us what it is. The information tells us that it was created by the Alibaba Cloud company. So let's do what is a quick test of what it is. The use or generation of video images to generate what is an image, because we are simply not going to give it to generate an image, and here, well, you choose what the size of the image is. For example, I'm going to generate what is an image with size 169, that is for YouTube, for example, for a YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to tell you to make me what the next image is, for example. I'm going to tell you to make me what this image is. Here we give it to generate, and there, well, it quickly begins to generate what the image is. Something very important, very good that this platform has is that unlike other platforms that we know today, such as HGPT, Dixie, since this does not allow, apart from creating images, it does not allow creating videos, so it is something that is quite good with her. We will be able to generate video in excellent quality, as we also know. HPT for free allows us to, well, create practically only 3 images. We can generate within HPT, but using what is the artificial intelligence of Keywing 2.5, since here we can create many more images than already GPT, so it is quite good. There we are going to wait for him to finish creating what the image is. So as you can see, Jackie has created for me what the image is, a pretty good image, as you can see, in very good quality. Now if you didn't like that image, then you're going to have a button here so that you can generate the image again. You can do it as many times as you want. You can regenerate what the image is so that it presents you with another image, and so you can choose the one that suits you best or the one you like the most. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you never miss this content, since here we share different types of new artificial intelligence that are coming out so that, well, you are always aware. So let's wait until it's over. As you can see, it has already created what the other image is for me, and you can see that it has a very good quality. The truth is yes. So for example, look, if you want to create what is a video, well, what we are going to do is the following. We give it here to new now, and here we are going to give it to video generation. We play there, and there it also gives you the size option. You choose the size you want. For example, I am going to generate a video for the size of YouTube, and I am going to generate what? What is the next video? For example, I am going to ask you to do me what this video is. Because the duration of the video, remember that it will depend on how much you ask. The more I ask, because the video will take longer to create. So we are going to give it here. And here begins what the creation process is. I told you before, well, not all artificial intelligence platforms or artificial intelligence chat allow you to do this. Like create videos with artificial intelligence generation. So this is it. Very good. So we'll wait there. This can take 5 to 8 and even 10 to 15 minutes depending on what type of video you are going to ask him to do for you. So there we're just going to pause what the video is until I finish doing what the process is. As you can see, he has already finished generating what the video is. If we give it play, we can see that he has not created what is a video with a lot of quality. Actually quite good. Here you are going to have, remember what the button is. For example, if you don't like the video, you let it regenerate again and it makes you what another video is. As you can see, it has very, very good quality to make a video created with artificial intelligence. The best of all is that it is free. So, well, I hope this video is to your liking, and if so, don't forget to leave your like, share this video with your friends so that it reaches more people. So without more, see you another time.